Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide birthday on Snapchat. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important step. First of all, you need to open your Snapchat application, and then at the top left corner you need to click on your profile icon. After that, in this interface at the top right corner you need to click on the settings icon. And then you need to click on the third option, birthday. So there are two ways how to hide your birthday. The first way is to change your date of birthday. For example, I will choose this one date. So the next way how to hide your birthday is to turn off this option, birthday party. So no one will receive a message that you have a birthday party today, for example. So, and that's how to hide birthday on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.